A potentially dangerous pest capable of causing significant damage to crop production could once again threaten an important livestock grain in the valley. CBS 4's Santiago Caicedo spoke with local researchers about how this could affect our local economy and what steps growers should take.
There we go.
A tiny invasive pest called the sugarcane aphid could potentially damage crop production of sorghum, a plant that is harvested for livestock feed and one of the most produced crops in the Rio Grande Valley. In fact, according to the USDA, Texas plants the second highest number of acres of sorghum in the country. The sugarcane aphid was first found in Florida during the 1970s.
80% of the sorghum is exported either to China is the main buyer, and then Mexico.
According to Texas A&M University, Valley farmers produce around $84 million per year in grain sorghum. That's around 400 million metric tons of grain.
2015, $55 per acre.
Texas A&M economist Samuel Zapata says that the years 2014 and 2015 were very dry, which caused an abundance of the invasive pest.
The presence of this pest is highly correlated to the weather, mainly if we have a dry and a hot year.
Until 2013, the sugarcane aphid only fed on sugarcane in the U.S. Scientists say that due to either a genetic change or the introduction of a different aphid from outside the country, the aphid made its jump to sorghum in spring 2014 along the Gulf Coast and in the valley.
If the conditions are right, you can go out there 4 days later and go to the same leaf and then see 100 or 300.
The pest feeds on the leaves' sugars. As the plant grows, it inerts energy in order to grow. It exerts a lot of sugars. The pests then defecate that sugar onto the leaves, which then becomes moldy, which then becomes a mess for the planters.
Then when they do take their equipment, their harvesting equipment, the combine, because of the stickiness, the plant material gets stuck.
Secula recommends planters check their crop every 4 days and spray sulfoxaflor 1 ounce per acre and Sivanto pesticides 4 ounces per acre. In Weslaco, with complete Valley coverage, Santiago Caicedo, CBS 4 Valley at 6.
Grain sorghum is expected to be harvested in June. Experts recommend planters to scout their crops for the aphid at that time.